If you've been locked out of your Snapchat account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Launch the Snapchat app on your device. If you are already logged out, you will see the login screen. Step 2. Tap on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Choose recovery method. Select how you want to receive your password reset link. You can choose to receive it via your registered email address or phone number. Make sure you have access to the chosen method. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Check your email or SMS for the password reset link. Click on the link and follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password. Ensure your new password is strong and secure. Step 5. Log in with new credentials. Return to the Snapchat login screen and enter your username or email along with the new password you just created. Tap Login to access your account. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to access your Snapchat account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Snapchat support for further assistance.